The R18 is back for maintenance. Today we'll change your oil in the rear bevel gears, aka the final drive. We'll also change your air filter and the brake fluids. Let's get started with the final drive. Remove the fuel plug on the top side with a T45 or 6mm. Make sure you also remove the crush washer. On the underside, crack open the drain bolt with a T45. I recommend catching the oil with a funnel because it's so close to the rear tire. Let it pour and clean up any oil residue around the drain port and especially on the tire. Clean off all the metal shavings and check the gasket for any signs of damage. Thread in the drain bolt by hand and torque to 20 Nm. Use Hypoid Axle Oil G3 if you're still under warranty. This stuff is expensive. Feel free to use any 70W80 GL5 at your own risk. Fill 210 ml using a syringe. Replace the fill bolt crush washer and thread it in by hand. Torque to 25 Nm. If you want to learn how to change your engine oil on the BMW R18, click here to watch my detailed tutorial. Before you fill up your engine oil, now's a good time to change your spark plug and check for valve clearance. That will be a topic for a future video. To get to the air filter, you must first remove these beautiful 1800cc plates with the T20. Now you've exposed two T30 bolts on each side. There are just two more Torx bolts on the top side of the engine cover, underneath the fuel tank. Remove the engine cover on both sides to expose the air box. Special notes on these screws: a 1/4 inch ratchet would not clear the fuel tank. Use an L-shaped T25 like this from our sponsored Cruise Tools. Pull back on the air duct to remove the rear first. Now you will see two more screws on the front of the air box. The good news is ratchet fits. Lift the airbox cover and remove the air filter. Replace the air filter and maybe try a different brand. Put back the cover and line up the 4 screws. Thread in by hand first and do not over tighten. Line up the front of the air ducts, pull back, then pop in the rear. Secure the engine cover with 6 Torx bolts. Thread in the 2 bolts holding the beautiful 1800cc plates and you're ready to change the brake fluids. Brake fluid flush is something I do every year to maximize my braking performance. The procedure is simple, using only wrenches, a bleeder bottle, and the correct fluids. Ideally, you want to run the ABS module with the diagnostics tools like the GS911. Pump the brakes a few times to force air bubbles out of the ABS system. Start by taking off the reservoir caps and prepping the area because brake fluid is corrosive. On the left caliper, slowly squeeze the brake lever and open the valve. Close the valve before releasing the brake lever. Keep an eye on the reservoir and keep the fluid level high so you don't accidentally introduce new air bubbles. Repeat a few times until all the air bubbles are out. Move on to the right caliper, then to the rear caliper, then finally to the rear master cylinder. Thank you so much for watching OTM Cars and Motorcycles. Huge thanks to my friend Toby for entrusting me with his BMW R18. Like and subscribe for more motorcycle maintenance videos and I will see you next time with something amazing.